Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I bring you the UMIDIGI A1 Pro. It's a new smartphone from UMIDIGI, and besides looking very good and having nice specs, it comes with Android 8 as well. Let's find out more about it right now. 5.5-inch HD display, Android 8 Oreo, MediaTek CPU quad-core, clocking in at 1.5 GHz, 3 GB of RAM plus 16 GB of storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB with a micro SD card. 5-megapixel front camera and dual camera in the rear, 13 plus 5 megapixel. Charging port, Type-C, USB, volume and power and lock button. Thickness 0.85 centimeters. Phone case included in the package.